In this video, we take a closer look at EmmaNoahLosAngeles.com, a website that claims to offer high-quality women's and men's accessories like shoes, jackets, and more at up to 80% off, all under the premise of a closing down sale after 20 years in business. At first glance, it looks like an amazing deal, but when you dig deeper, some red flags start to pop up. Despite claiming 2 decades of experience, the domain was registered only 2 months ago, which raises serious questions about the legitimacy of the backstory. The site uses stock photos rather than real product images, which can be a sign the products may not be exactly what you expect. They create a sense of urgency with their so-called closing sale, but this tactic is commonly used by scam websites to push people into fast decisions. There's no phone number, barely any contact info, and absolutely no presence on social media, which makes it hard to trust or get in touch with them if something goes wrong. On top of that, customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot are not promising, with many reporting delayed orders or no delivery at all. Overall, it's not the most reassuring shopping experience, but it's also not completely conclusive that it's a scam either. If you're thinking about buying from EmmaNoahLosAngeles.com, make sure to be cautious, do your research, and maybe hold off until more proof of legitimacy comes to light.